to show you this new tool combination that I've really become enamored with over the last month. I'm sure many of you recognize these tools. You've used them. You probably use them individually. This is a seal puller, and I use this to remove a front crank seal in a diesel engine, and then I had to use it to remove the transmission shaft seals. And then this is a pry bar I recently discovered, and this is really a great pry bar. It's made out of stainless steel. It's super thin, super sharp here, and very, very strong. I looked at this, I've done a lot of woodworking. I know this is primarily a woodworking tool, but I bet you I can find some applications for this tool in the automobile trade, all right? Particularly right here. This might be a really good separator for surfaces where you've got stuck gaskets. But when I was pulling these seals out, and I'm sure any of you have pulled seals, you can get onto the seal and you pry. The problem is when you try to pry the seal out, whatever you're prying it is going to get damaged because most of the time those surfaces are aluminum. So I've used all kinds of things in the past. I've used pieces of wood or whatever to try to protect the aluminum. But I saw this and I said, wow, this is the perfect tool for protecting the surfaces that you're prying against when you go to pop a seal out, whether it be an engine or a transmission seal. So look at here. Look at the ones I've been working at. And you can see how well this works, both for transmission seals and engine seals. I mean, this is a great combination, but let me tell you, I'm finding more and more uses for this really super pry bar in and around the shop. Here's another great use I found for this tool around the shop. And even if at home, if you found you've got stuck paint can lids on, you know how hard they are to get off with a narrow screwdriver. But taking this flat surface of this pry bar, it's sharp enough that you can work in there so you get more on the lip, and when you pry up, it does less damage to the lid of the paint can. This works great with Miracle Paint, because Miracle Paint, those lids tend to get stuck on. I'm going to offer these for sale on my website. I'll offer this as a combo for those of you who are going to be doing some seal removal, and then I'll offer this individually. And I think any one of you that get this pry bar, you're going to be really impressed to add this to your automotive toolbox.